Unlock your study potential. Master motivation, focus, and productivity. Hello, studying machine. Having a tough time keeping your focus and staying on track with your studies? No stress. You're definitely not alone. Let's dive into some awesome tips to help you really amp up your study game. Tip 1. Set awesome goals. Decide what you want to nail in each study session. This keeps you pumped and laser-focused. Tip 2. Make a study plan. Schedule your study time and stick to it like glue. It's all about building a solid routine to boost your productivity. Tip 3. Pick a perfect study spot. Find a quiet, tidy place where you can zoom in on your studies without any pesky distractions. Tip 4. Break it up. Chop your study material into smaller bits. It's way easier to handle and stops you from feeling swamped. Tip 5. Don't forget to chill. Taking short breaks actually helps sharpen your focus and productivity. So, take time to relax and recharge your brain batteries. Tip 6. Keep that fire burning. Find what really drives you, whether it's your dream job or personal goals, and let that be your study fuel. Tip 7. Try different study tricks. Mix it up with flashcards, summaries, or group studies to discover what clicks for you. Tip 8. Stay neat and tidy. Keep all your study stuff organized. This way, you won't waste precious time hunting for things. Tip 9. Be an active learner. Dive into the material by asking questions, jotting down notes, and chatting about it with friends. It's a great way to make sure it sticks in your memory. Tip 10. Keep smiling and reward yourself. Celebrate every little victory and keep a positive vibe. You're totally crushing it. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit subscribe for more super helpful study tips and tricks. You're on your way to being a study superstar. Keep studying and learning. Until next time, folks.